Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PS4 controller on Assetto Corsa. First, connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your personal computer. You can use a standard micro USB cable for a wired connection or pair it via Bluetooth for wireless play. Once connected, your computer should recognize it as a generic gamepad. For the best experience, I highly recommend installing DS4 Windows, a free tool that significantly improves compatibility and allows for extensive customization. With DS4 Windows installed, open the application. You'll want to create a new profile specifically for Assetto Corsa. Within this profile, map your PlayStation 4 controller inputs to mimic a standard Xbox 360 controller, as many PC games, including Assetto Corsa, are optimized for this layout. Don't forget to fine-tune your dead zones and sensitivity settings for both steering and throttle to achieve the most precise control. Now, launch Assetto Corsa and head into the Controls menu from the main screen. Here, you'll need to select Gamepad as your primary input device. Proceed to calibrate your steering, throttle, and brake axes carefully to ensure accurate in-game response. Additionally, assign essential functions such as gear up and down, handbrake, and look left or right to easily accessible buttons on your PlayStation 4 controller. To truly enhance your driving experience, experiment with the force feedback settings within Assetto Corsa. This will provide realistic sensations of the car's behavior. Also, adjust steering linearity and gamma to match your personal driving style. If you experience any input lag or unexpected disconnections, always check for the latest controller drivers and ensure DS4 Windows is running correctly in the background.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.